In primetime news this evening, NEPA drops charges against Trade Winds Citrus. Why some stakeholders are mad.
Couple escapes injury after tree falls on house in Portland.
And later, government rejects claim of an election ploy after recent announcements. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, do you remember the many complaints about automated banking machines, ABMs? Well, the BOJ has seen an improvement in their operations. I'll give you details later in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown, by the way, we're just hearing a member of the sports team outside, so I assume there's something exciting happening in sports. Yes, I said.
Well, Archie, there's always something exciting happening in sports. You know, as the rain fell yesterday, there was sunshine at the National Arena. The Sunshine Girls, yes, they beat England. What a win that was. Series victory for them. And international cricket makes a return to the island this week at Sabina Park. West Indies versus Bangladesh. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
And I think that's absolutely exciting because a lot of people have been calling for a return of international cricket to Jamaica. But Jerry should have hired Archie as the special correspondent for that Sunshine.
I actually have videos. That game yesterday was absolutely amazing.
Absolutely.
And apparently there's also a story in sports. There's football going on, so Jerry will have that as well. There's also sports coming through E-Prime and the weather report and forecast later on in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Okay, so this evening we're asking, have you seen any improvements in the services of automated banking machines, ABMs? We're asking our viewers to give reasons for their answer.
Chizzy has been giving her reason, but you'll have to stick around later on to find out. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.